Introduction to EasyLaw.
21st century legal studies, practice and adjudication in Nigeria is now IT-based, fast, accurate, mobile, world-class, affordable. You can get all this great value from our two user-friendly softwares, EasyLaw Legalpedia and EasyLaw Digital Rules of Court. EasyLaw Legalpedia is a digital legal encyclopedia that contains over 3,000 Supreme Court cases from 1970 to 2009, laws of the Federation 1957 to 2008, Court of Appeal cases 2003 to 2007, articles and reviews, law dictionary with Nigerian cases, NBA publications, and legal maxims. EasyLaw Digital Rules of Court is a digital compilation of the Supreme Court rules, Court of Appeal rules, Federal High Court, Civil Procedure rules, and the Civil Procedure rules of the FCT Abuja and 20 states of the Federation.
Abia, Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Anambra, Bauchi, Benue, Borno, Ebonyi, Edo, Enugu, Gombe, Imo, Jigawa, Kaduna, Lagos, Nasarawa, Ogun, Oyo, Rivers, and Zamfara. Unlocking of EasyLaw.
Installation and unlocking of your software is as easy as using your mobile phone. The instructions are clearly written out on the pack, including the dedicated phone numbers to reach our customer care consultants who will guide you through the unlock process. Once you have unlocked your software, you are now ready to experience the features of the software in gaining instant access to the large repository of legal resources.
Utilization of EasyLaw.
You start by launching the software. Let's look at browsing for information in your software. A. Table of Contents. The table of contents appears on the left side of the screen whenever you are in Browse or All View pane, allowing you to view both the table of contents and the document at the same time. Using the table of contents, you may quickly browse for information. Scrolling through the main headings in the table of content gives you an idea of the type of information contained in the info base. Clicking a plus sign next to a heading in the table of content expands that heading to show additional information. Clicking a minus sign hides the information. When you find a heading that refers to the information you need, click on the heading to go to that location in the document. For example, let's click on the plus sign beside Supreme Court cases. It shows that all cases are arranged according to years to make navigation easy. You can either scroll through the table of contents to find your material or carry out a more detailed search. To do a more detailed search, you can click on the search button on the menu bar. A drop-down menu of various options will appear. Click on the Advanced Query option. Just type into the dialog box what you are looking for. It is advisable to type in keywords in order to get more specific results. For example, to search for the word bail, all you need to do is type it into the dialog box. On the spot, it shows you the number of times the word is used in the entire info base. If you're searching for a phrase, say rule of law, you put the words in quotes as shown. Rule of law. Click OK and select the hit list pane. The hit list shows the search results and enables you to select the closest result to your search. When you have decided on the result to look up, then you double-click it to go into the document. To clear the search and try another one, click Search and select Clear Query. From the search result, it is clear that information that could have taken days to gather becomes accessible in an instant. Therefore, the student need not spend hours in the library looking for materials. The lawyer need not sweat through days of research to put his case together. And the judge can save 80% of research time in the adjudication of matters before the court. Welcome to 21st century legal technology.
Endorsements of EasyLaw.
Let's hear what notable names in the profession have to say about our digital solution. EasyLaw Legalpedia, to all intents and purposes, should be a realization of what we yearn in law practice in Nigeria. A user-friendly software publication that should take our practice to the next level. Emeka Ngige, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I have no doubt that Legalpedia will go a long way to put the bar on the technology track that it so badly needs to rebrand itself. We have to be part of the digital age if we want to compete globally. George Etomi, Chair, MBA Section on Business Law. As senior members of the profession, we are not only concerned, but most times embarrassed at how justice is often delayed in our courts, how excruciating and tedious legal research has become, and how legal education in our universities is grossly behind the times, as we linger with paper-based approaches while the world has gone digital. Oluwa Rotimi O. Akeredolu Esquire, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, President, Nigerian Bar Association.